A judge ruled them dads by default.
Dads by default. What the heck does that mean?
Happening to men across Michigan. They are being forced to pay child support as dads by default.
Exactly, which means that you don't even have to be the biological father of somebody's child. You could be deemed dad by default, which means that if you are married to somebody and you're dating somebody, some woman states that you are the father and you aren't, and you have to prove it in court, that the judge will order that you are dad by default and you have to pay child support.
Shocked when the judge told him because he was married, he became dad by default. He had to pay support for another man's children.
See what I mean? Isn't that ridiculous? This dude had to pay for another man's child. That's just ridiculous.
Let her pay for him. Let her get the man she laid down with to pay for him. He goes free.
I totally agree with that guy. That's totally wrong. Like, the justice system.
And all eventually got DNA tests backing their stories. Too late.
Oftentimes it doesn't make a difference.
Say what? Even if I got a DNA test proving that that kid isn't mine, the judge is still going to order me to pay child support? What?
He hopes to pass legislation that would protect men from being forced to pay for another man's children.
Does anyone know if they actually passed laws to stop this, or is this still happening?
Plus, women and process servers who lie should face stiff legal consequences.
Yeah, I totally agree. If some woman is lying or somebody else is lying or forging documents or saying that this dude is the father, like that's totally wrong. They should be held responsible. Yeah, should be charged.
Getting garnished. I'm getting thrown in jail. I'm getting felony charges.
You have taken our lives.
Change that law.
I feel so sorry for these guys and anybody else that's been affected by this law. Like that's just crazy. Like I couldn't even imagine that happening to myself, or like just imagine that happening to you, that you end up having to go to jail or go to court or being forced to pay money for some other dude's kid. It's not even yours. It's like, what?
She said she was told in order to get welfare benefits, she needed to name a father. She knew he wasn't the dad, but wrote down his name anyway.
But wrote down his name anyway. Wow. And like the judge and like the courts don't even care. Like they're just like, oh, whatever. She wrote it down. It's on a piece of paper. Bam, you have to pay, or you have to go to court or whatever, or you have to go to jail if you don't pay the child support. That is just ridiculous in my mind. Even if you prove with DNA tests that the kid wasn't yours, they still end up having to pay. So I don't know, that's just mind-blowing to me. Do you guys know, or does anyone know that if they pass laws to stop this, or is this still going on? Because that's just mind-blowing. So please let me know and inform me if this is still going on or not. I didn't even know this was going on. If you find any other news pieces, please comment down below, because there's a lot of things that I do know and a lot of things I don't know. And John Brown let me know about this. I definitely didn't know about dads by default. So thanks for sharing. And I thought I'd share it with all of you and educate you all if you knew or didn't know this. And like I said, knowledge is power. I really hope they change that law. But anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Like this video, click that subscribe button down there. And thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. God bless you all, and peace out.